This Harcourts Northwest Oregon Realty Group property video is presented by Connie Hinsdale. Great rental and good location on large lot near city pool. Long-term tenants. Vacancy never an issue. 1 Section 8 housing. Full inspection done in 2019 and any major defects were repaired. Exterior repainted 2019. Do not disturb tenants. Offers must be written subject to inspection. Owner is real estate broker in the state of Oregon. 1 tenant with 2-year lease, 1 with 1 year, 2 month-to-month, annual roof treatment. For more information, review the details below or contact Connie Hinsdale at 503-873-8600.